King. Welcome to my channel, and today I will be unboxing on Her Majesty's Secret Service James Bond figure from Sideshow. I actually got this package for a while, but I got sick with the flu. And then I went to the music festival to see Franz Ferdinand, so we will unbox this now. To be honest, I don't remember much about the film because I only watched it like 1.5 times. I know it happened in Switzerland, and of course I remember the ending. I also remember the ruffle, the jabot, but that's about it. I have nothing against George Lazenby, though I just prefer Pierce Brosnan. Anyway, I was browsing Bayi, not sponsored though, and I found this figure and it was quite cheap, so I placed my bid and I won. I didn't feel that lucky when I paid for the shipping, but it's alright. He comes with all of his accessories, unlike the one that I bid from eBay that's missing the iconic Walter PPK. Instead, they gave me this weird revolver. It was my fault because I didn't read the description. The box is a little damaged, but I don't mind really. We have the movie poster here. And on the side we have a picture of the figure. On the side also. And on the back we have George Lazenby biography and a little summarize of the movie and the villain. You can open it like a book, like this. So here we have James, Walter PPK, Gunsling, Sterling SMG, L2A3, a clip, and behind this we have a stand. I really hate it when the company did this because you basically have to destroy the package to get the stand. Actually, the face mold is really nice. I like him much better than Sir Roger Moore. He comes with the gun strap. It looks really old though. And we have excuse me sir, Sterling SMG, L2A3, I guess, I don't know. It feels plasticky and it's ready to break. Also, here is the clip. You can see the bullet, the ammo, something. I don't know how to call it. Here. It's quite nice. I think you just do this. Right? And then you put the gunsling here. And here. Oh, it's quite cute actually. And of course we have Walter PPK, but I am struggling to get it out of the plastic case. Why? Why? Here. It's nice. It's cute. It's not my dog. That is not my dog. I don't have a dog. He is wearing a ski suit, I suppose. A pair of gloves. Sorry. And a pair of boots. The quality is alright. It has fake pockets. He's wearing some kind of a turtleneck underneath this. I always thought that Sir Roger Moore is the king of turtleneck, but I guess George Lazenby is too. Was. He has a pair of socks, and I like that there are studs underneath his boots. Yeah, that's about it. I think it's the only doll of George Lazenby. It's quite nice. It's cute. I did not dare forcing him to hold this because I think it will break on me. So yeah, here is him in his standard pose. Yeah, that's about it. See you in the next video when I find something cool to unbox them in front of the video. Okay, bye! Hey, it's me again. Also, if you like the intro music, please check out my friend's channel, Peter Scott below.